my crispy potato balls. As it's holiday time, it's fun to have it as an evening snack and you can have it as an appetizer for a party. It is fun to cook with friends. So this recipe is going to be for Akshit and I'm going to shout out for Akshit. Welcome Akshit!
Hi.
Hello.
Hi everyone. So what are you gonna make today?
Today we are going to be making crispy potato balls.
You're a vegetarian, right?
Yeah. He's a vegetarian, so today we are going to be making a pure vegan dish. Come, let's see what all do we need. We will need salt, finely chopped ginger, chopped green chili and red chili flakes, 3 medium-sized potatoes boiled and smashed, corn flour powder, breadcrumbs, some semolina and 1 small finely chopped onion.
So Aiden, what's the first step?
The first step is we have to add the semolina inside. Then we have to add equal amount of hot water and mix it with the semolina and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it's like this. So it's like almost boiled with the warmth of the hot water. Next we have to add all the other ingredients inside. Akshay, do you like potatoes?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
What's your favorite vegetable?
It's potato.
First I'm adding the chili slices, then the chopped ginger, the salt and the red chili flakes. So now we have to mix it. I would like to share a tip. If you think it has become watery, you can add a little bit corn flour powder to not make it water. I made them into balls. We have made it into balls now.
So Aiden, is it ready to be fried?
Akshay, what's your favorite dish?
I like starters, especially gobi manchurian.
Do you like making gobi manchurian on your own?
Yeah, sometimes.
We are making 5 balls and the oil is heated up. Have you tasted this anywhere before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay. You for sure will like it. Now we are going to drop it inside the oil and deep fry it. Our crispy potato balls are ready and it is tasting time. I like the smoke smell that is coming out.
It's really delicious.
Superb yum. You like it?
It's really awesome.
Thank you.
It's really hot and it's yummy.
Yeah, it's good to have it hot. Really goes well with the tomato sauce. You can also make mint chutney with this. So now we are signing off with crispy potato balls for tasting time. But you guys don't forget to like and subscribe my Facebook page and YouTube channel Young Chef Aiden Day. So don't forget to try it, like it, share it.